First, go to your browser and search for ElevenLabs. It's the platform that powers the realistic AI voice known as Adam. Once you're on the website, click on Voice Library and look for the voice named Adam. It's one of the most popular voices used by creators on TikTok and YouTube for that clean, professional, and engaging sound. Now, to use it, just click on Try Voice or go to the Text-to-Speech section. Type your script in the text box, and make sure you select Adam from the voice list. If you're not logged in, you'll be able to generate a few lines for free. To get more word credits, up to 2,500 characters, just sign in with your Google account. It's completely free, and you'll have enough to create longer voiceovers for your videos. Once your voice is generated, you can preview it, download the audio, and use it in your TikTok, Reels, or YouTube content. That's it. Now you've got access to one of the most loved AI voices online. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more creator tools and AI tips, and let me know in the comments what voice you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.